Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as always I've got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and create a public profile right there on a Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is let's go ahead first open our Snapchat. So let's say you already have an account, right? So if you go to your profile icon and you can go ahead, you can see this option Snapchat is for real friends, and then you can see this public profile section, create public profile option. You can go ahead, tap on it, and if you tap on this continue option you can get started, and you can see this will ask for a confirmation. If you tap on this create option, you will simply be able to create yourself a public profile. And if you're creating a new, if you think you have to create a new account rather than Snapchat for your public profile, that's not the case. You can simply go ahead, create your account like the way you did it for your personal use, like your personal account, and you can simply turn that account to public. You don't have any other process for you to do for you to create a public account. You can go ahead, make your existing account a public account, or otherwise you can create another Snapchat account just like you did before, and you can turn this account to public here in the settings. It's a very easy way you can do it over here, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.